Hello everyone, I'm Karen and welcome back to another Tea and Chat. This week we're exploring the power of setting intentions versus setting resolutions. And since it's a tea and chat, I have my tea here. It's called Clarity and Focus. And it has some different ingredients in it, but it tastes quite good. So if you're interested in having the recipe for this tea, then I invite you to go to my website at www.Karendorlandreiki.ca and click on the blog and you'll find the recipe there. So now let's dive in to intentions versus resolutions. Resolutions can often feel rather rigid, and they put pressure on you to achieve a certain outcome. Intentions, on the other hand, offer flexibility and growth. Think of resolutions as goals or promises you make to yourself, such as I'm going to lose 10 pounds in 5 months, or I'm going to stop eating sugar. They often focus on fixing something that you don't feel is right, or it's about promising a certain outcome. We know that gym memberships have their highest of new memberships in January, when people are all keen to set that resolution and get out exercising and lose their weight. However, within a week, maybe a month, they often fall away because they're putting too much on themselves to achieve that goal. Intentions, on the other hand, are about energy and mindset. This is what you want to feel, or how do you want to be? Think of it as saying, I am choosing to nurture my body this year, or I am choosing to get healthier through adding more exercise or eating healthier each day. Then you can add activities in there to help support and align with the intention that you made. So while a resolution might focus on doing, an intention focuses on being and feeling. It's the difference between saying, I am going to lose 10 pounds in 5 months, as opposed to, I intend to prioritize my health and well-being this year. You see, it has a whole different feeling to it, doesn't it? The shift in focus toward intentions makes it more empowering for you and sustainable, because it's rooted in a personal growth rather than just achieving a result. I set intentions for myself every morning. I write in my journal and in my day timer, and I set intentions for how I want to feel during my day, how I'd like my day to flow. I'll even write intentions on how I'd like the appointment with my client to go. And I use my day timer, write it in here through an exercise that I borrowed from a book by Abraham Hicks. And you'll see I have a line down the middle, and on one side is my to-do list, and the other side is for the universe to handle. I write that every single day. And it's amazing when I go back and look at what I've written at the end of the day that, wow, so much has happened just the way I've written it. And I also add for the highest good of all at the bottom of the page here. So now I have a little exercise for you to do. I would like you to take a few minutes to reflect on the areas of your life that need attention and intention. Maybe that's your health. Maybe it's on relationships. Or perhaps you want to put more intentions into your finances or spirituality or your creativity. Then write down 3 intentions for that area. Another way to make them even more powerful is to add the words I am before each, because that brings you into the present moment, brings you into the now, and as if it's already happened. For example, I am enjoying a peaceful, serene day. Or I am focusing on wellness all this week. Or another one is I am becoming more abundant. And then you can take little actions that align with that and move you forward. I would love it if you would write an intention of yours in the comments below this video. Something else I'd like to point out to you is a lady named Lynn McTaggart, and she has written books on intentions. She's the queen of setting intentions. She's done studies on this, and I'm sure you can find her on YouTube as well, Lynn McTaggart. She really stresses the importance of setting intentions in our life. Before you sit down to write out your intentions, I also would encourage you to watch my latest meditation video called Clarity and Focus. And that'll just get you grounded and to start into the mindset before you write out your intentions. Maybe you'll get a word given to you, or a message might even come to you as you sit quietly and listen to that meditation. So thank you again for joining me here. If you receive value from this video, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week as we create a crystal grid to help amplify the intentions that you are making for yourself for this month or for the year. I'll see you next week on our Tea and Chat with the Silver Sage.